look at this beautiful bottle that we have here, inspired by classic design, as Professor took us through 190 years of history. We've got the Frasco spirit on here. We've got the etching, which we've seen on the early bottles. And truly a commemorative gin that has been created to mark 190 years.
10,000 pesos! Hintayin next, hindi ko makita. Okay, going once! Okay. Okay, table number 10.
Skirt, sa fake, no room. Mga mata, namumula, nasa ng G's, nadala mo ba? Bawal ang tubo sa peke sa biyahe, kung isa ka dyan, hindi bumaba. Sa kapunta, tulumod, road trip, broom broom. Skirt, sum sa fake, no room. Mga mata, namumula, nasa ng G's, nadala mo ba?
Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyong lahat.